Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, this is an intraday and I'm doing the intraday of course because of the direct update after our last video. So what we are looking at is a broken channel, triangle, trend line for the triangle on the 15-minute chart. That's awesome to see. And also a broken fib level for the 1-to-1. That means we are not a simple zigzag. That's an awesome confirmation, guys, that we are not just a zigzag, possibly, of course, because it can be an extended wave C, but this is a high possibility that we are in an impulse now. And of course, that we have broken this trend line, the triangle, and even invalidated. So therefore, I would right now remove it. We are in an impulse towards the upside where we are looking for a 1-2, possibly here first, 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly 5. So if we put here our label a little bit smaller, we are looking as well for a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, we want to break even our big resistance, guys. So let's see how this is gonna work. Is it gonna be our waiting day, like the day that we were waiting for? What I'm talking about is our daily channels where we want to break our correction. And here we go. We're going higher now. Right, we're going higher, and then we have a very high amount of resistance, of course. However, we are looking for a 4 and a 5, so very possible even to break it. Right, it is very possible. Now, of course, we might retrace a little bit and so on, but we might break it today, hopefully. Right, that would be nice. And of course, therefore, we are in the 1-hour chart. Let's go on the 1-hour chart. We are here first. Let's remove this and let's bring back the daily analysis. Come on, what is it? Sorry for the mess, guys. Here we go. So on the daily, if we go here, we are looking at, of course, a very mass analysis, but yeah, these are our targets. Now, if we close up, it's gonna be nice to see. Here we go. This is our analysis, and what we are looking at now is this trend or this path possible towards the upside. But first, before calling a big wave 3 towards the upside, guys, I don't want to excite you as well so crazy that you forget your take profit. The next targets, don't forget that we are in a diagonal, right? Zigzag up, zigzag down, zigzag up, down, and one more zigzag up. So therefore, your zigzag here can hit, very possible, guys, can only hit around like this area, right, before touching the 1-to-1 fib level. It can possibly even a little bit be very close to it and then retrace down. Okay, don't forget, this is the most beautiful signal. If we break it, it's gonna be towards the 100K scenario directly confirmed. Okay, guys, therefore, of course, be careful with it. We might finish it anywhere here, right? Now, to get much more clue, if we get a fib level for a zigzag taken here, look what do we get. We have one uncommon target, which is a 0.618, and one very common target, which is 1-to-1, and of course, it's gonna break the 100K. Therefore, there is a possibility that we reach the 73,500, all right, with 0.618, and then retrace down. But before, guys, before getting excited, don't forget we need to break this. Okay, we need to break this to say that okay, we are clear to go. Here we go. We start to see some retracement, I think, right, with this corrective channel, right? So be careful with it. We need to break it. Now, as I said, we might range a little bit and then break it again, all right? So these are the things. Now, I'm going to remove the channel because it's a mess. If we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, we might reach only the 73,500 and retrace down. If we break this and we break the 1-to-1 fib level at 74,478, if we break it decisively, therefore confirmation to 100K scenario. All right. However, first step always, of course, the correction channel. Don't forget this. We are in a very strong resistance area. Okay, so be careful with it. All right. On the 1 hour chart, we can see it clearly. Okay, we are very, very close to it, and we want to break it because we are in an impulse potentially here. I hope that it's not an extended wave C, because that might be problematic. Okay, if it is an extended wave C as an A, a B, and a C, that might open another scenarios, guys. Because of course we have invalidated the triangle. Now we might see a different scenario, okay, because it can be still corrected. Yeah, after 3 waves. So we have 3 waves down and then 3 waves up, 3 waves down. It could be this is a 3 waves up now. If this is only a zigzag, it can turn into WXY inside another WXY. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah, this is what are the things. All right. If we retrace here, yeah, I mean, low possibility, to be honest. We need to see a break. Yeah, it's really, really risky to say what's gonna happen, but it would be nice to see it broken, and this is what we are looking for in case we are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We want to see a break. Now, of course, don't forget that also if we break the daily channel, don't forget that you have your base channel. Let's go back to the daily. If we break this, don't forget that you still have your base channel and your acceleration channel. So first, of course, let's remove now the base channel because it's the last thing that you want to break. This is a triangle, right? So if we break this blue line, right, don't forget, look at this resistance, all right? Look at this triangle. Look where it is also coinciding, like that is like in confluence here with your target 0.618. So yeah, these are the things. If we break this, I mean, yeah, it might be okay. Then of course, then we entering our acceleration channel. We are already in a wave 5 towards the upside, guys. So these are the things. Wow, what can I say more than this, guys? I mean, we have to, yeah, of course, sometimes you have to risk. Don't forget your stop loss, guys. This is when you manage your risk. Therefore, there is no catastrophe and there is only profit in this. Even if you lose a very small amount, your win-to-win level might be higher, of course. No financial advice, but of course, this is what I'm saying here. So be careful from this triangle resistance. The thing is that it might be in confluence with this target, and we might go down back. Now, if we break this, of course, directly, I would say almost 90% we are into a 100K scenario, guys. So let's watch and see. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.